good people of YouTube. Today I am very, very happy. I have some good news, some exciting news, which I can tell you about in a moment. Today is the first time I've had the chance to make a video for ages. Actually, I've been absolutely snowed under with editing photos from my photography work that I do on the side, and Bikers Pub website has taken up quite a lot of time, but that's okay. I'm back. I've got some good news. So what is my good news? Well, as you know, I've been working on Bikers Hub website for a little while, and for a couple of weeks I've been chatting with a very nice chap called Ross. Ross works in the press department at KTM UK, and I've been telling him about Bikers Hub, and he's been very, very supportive actually. They have set me up with a press account, so I'm going to get notified of all their new releases with photos and specs and all the details and what have you, so I can post about their bikes that are due to be released. And they are, in a month or so, he says, going to be able to lend me a 1290 Super Duke. So that'll be awesome. So I'll be riding around on that for a bit and doing a review on that for the website. He's been so supportive. I really appreciate his help actually. So yeah, that's my exciting news. It's good times. It's very good times. I'll be giving the website a bit of a revamp at some point, because it is sort of fairly, I don't know, kind of basic looking, I guess. I'd appreciate any feedback actually on the site, how you think it can be improved, the layout, what you think needs to go on there that's not on there at the moment, that sort of thing. Let me open this up, I'm sweating here. It's bloody boiling, isn't it? Yeah, any sort of feedback on the site would be brilliant. See how I can improve it for the users. It's no good asking sort of friends and family for feedback, because they just go, oh yeah, it's brilliant, it's marvellous, it looks really good, even if it's not, because they don't want to upset you. I need honest feedback. That's what I need. So if you don't mind taking a look at bikershub.co.uk, let us know what you think. How can it be improved? And of course, while you're there, if you want to join and take part in the forums, then feel free. You're very, very welcome. We would love to have you with us. There are exciting times ahead for Bikers Hub. Very exciting times ahead, so come and get involved. Anyway, I'm going to enjoy this ride for a bit. It's a very rare opportunity for me to get out for a ride, so I'm going to do that. I'll catch you in a bit. Yeah, you piss off up there, go on. See ya. I've just joined, I'm going the wrong way, but back behind me the other way, they say it's one of the best riding roads in the UK. It is the 413, I think, or is it the 418? I can't remember. But it runs between Buckingham and Aylesbury, and it is a cracking road. I shall do a video of a ride down there at some point. This section of the road is the boring end, I'm afraid. If I sound like I've got a cold, I haven't. It's just a bit of hay fever. Seems to be hitting me pretty hard today. I haven't been that bad this year with hay fever. I normally get it really bad, but this year I haven't really suffered much with it, which is good. But today I'm just a bit sort of snuffly. There we go. Marvellous. I shall pop in, get myself a nice drink, have a couple of minutes, sit down and chill out, I think. Catch you in a bit. There we go. Oh, pardon me, that was disgusting. I've now had a nice cold drink. I'm going to head back. There won't be too much traffic getting in the way. Oh dearie me. That was also disgusting, I do apologise. Like we'll be stuck behind some cars going back, possibly, so I can get past. It's a bit bendy though, we'll see. Anyway, exciting times for Bikers Hub. I had to make a video to tell you because I am properly excited about the KTM and having their support with the site. I'm going to try chatting to other manufacturers, I think, and see what they can do. Even if it's just to get like press accounts so I get notified of new releases and get sent some details so I can sort of post about them. That'd be great. It gives me some good content to put on the site. So, but anyhow, thank you very much for watching. I'll keep you posted with what's going on with Bikers Hub. Please take a look, as I said before, and let us know what you think about the site and how it can be improved. I need honest feedback, so don't be afraid to say if you think it's shit, say it's shit, but try and say why it's shit, so that I know what needs to be changed. And anyway, yes, thank you very much for watching. Take care, ride safe, and see you next time.